Hello, hello?
Bravo, Yankee Zulu Tower cleared for touch and go, runway 36.
Yeah.
Okay, good. You hear me and you hear the radio going?
Yep.
Word.
Clear, prop.
Big ground, Cessna 172, Golf Alpha Golf Victor on apron 1. Taxi for the circuit if there is room.
Golf Alpha Golf Victor, pit ground, circuit's full. Do you have another request?
Golf Alpha Golf Victor will go locally in today then.
Alpha Golf Victor ground, roger. Runway 36, altimeter 2974, taxi via Bravo. Contact tower 126.3, holding short squawk 0750.
Squawking 0750, holding short on 36 on Bravo. Alpha Golf Victor. Tower, Alpha Golf Victor is ready on Bravo as well.
Alpha Golf Victor Tower, line up runway 36, number 2 for departure.
Alpha Golf Victor lining up.
Alpha Golf Victor Tower, right turnout eastbound, cleared for takeoff, runway 36.
Alpha Golf Victor, right turnout, clear for takeoff.
Everything looks so small.
Yeah. Look how everything is like, all the trees are turning like fall colors.
Yeah.
It looks kind of cool, like over there. My side.
Oh.
Pretty neat. Alright, let's do some, you wanna do some tight turns?
I don't know what that is.
You're gonna find out. Alright, let's just do a safety check anyway. Hazel, tanks on both. Let's go a mixture rich. And lights are good, mags on both. Gauges are green. Lamps secure, rear secure. 3,000 feet, so I'm facing towards those mountains. Mid Valley traffic, Alpha Golf Victor at Crescent Island at 3,000 doing tight turns. Ready?
Okay, now it's starting to feel weird.
Alright, let's go the other direction. Oh, there's a little bit of altitude. Okay, well let's do something we call slow flight.
Okay.
That's where I try to make the airplane fly. See anybody? Nope. Slow flight is when you like slow the airplane down, is like slow as it'll go, but still fly. Lamps. Then I push the flaps down. See the wing? Little thing comes down.
Yeah. Okay, that was way better. They're like what? That was boring. Can we go back? That's what we're doing right now. Do you already turn? Yeah, pit meadows is that way. Oh. Albion, inbound for a full stop with hotel.
Golf Alpha Golf Victor, pit towers, squawk ident, runway 36, altimeter 2973, cleared right base.
Cleared right base for 36, Alpha Golf Victor.
Able to keep the basin close?
Alpha Golf Victor, over that.
Alpha Golf Victor, roger, keep the basin close, you're cleared to land, runway 36.
Cleared to land, Alpha Golf Victor.
south, exit right at Echo, and then when you're ready, taxi by Delta Golf Alpha, cross runway 26 left to apron 1. Roll me as you taxi in. Good day.
Alpha Golf Victor, good day. If Dad's flying an airplane, I can be late for dinner. I think that's fair.
Yeah.